Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the equation for critical depth. So before going to equation for critical depth, first what is meant by critical depth means the depth of flow of water at which the specific energy is minimum is known as critical depth. Means if you check the graph and this is x-axis and this is y-axis, here in the x-axis I took specific energy and in the y-axis depth we take. Okay, this is the specific energy curve. See, okay, this is specific energy curve and here the specific energy will be minimum, so it is denoted with E minimum. Corresponding to this, the depth which is there is known as critical depth. Means corresponding to the minimum specific energy with respect to bottom of the channel, the depth which is there is known as critical depth. Okay, we have to find out equation for this. For finding equation for critical depth, we have to differentiate specific energy with respect to H and we have to equate it to 0. Okay, so d by dh of what is specific energy formula? H plus q square by 2g h square equal to 0. With respect to h, what is the derivative for h? 1. So I write 1 plus q square by 2g will be constant. And what is the derivative for 1 by h square? See here formula, d by dx of 1 by x square equal to minus 2 by x cube. Here in the place of x, h is there. So d by dh of 1 by h square equal to minus 2 by h cube, which is equal to 0. Here 2 and 2 will be cancelled. What remaining? 1 minus q square by gh cube equal to 0. Now move this minus term to this side. If we move that minus term to that side, what we got? 1 equal to q square by gh cube. Okay, next move this gh cube to this side. Gh cube equal to q square. We have to find out equation for critical depth. So move this g to this side again. H cube equal to q square by g. Okay, next move, we have to find out h, not h cube. So move this power 3 to this side. So h is equal to q square by g whole power 1 by 3. And here we are finding critical depth. So in the place of h we have to write hc. Finally we got hc equal to q square by g whole power 1 by 3. Okay, next specific energy minimum in terms of critical depth. We know the formula for specific energy. So what is the formula for specific energy minimum in terms of critical depth? We have to find. We know that E is equal to H plus Q square by 2G H square. So we have to find E minimum now. So in the place of E I write E minimum equal to, in the place of H in terms of critical depth, so in the place of H I wrote Hc plus Q square by 2G H square means 2G Hc square. Again here take this equation Hc equal to q square by g whole power 1 by 3 and move this 1 by 3 to this side. Hc cube equal to q square by g. What is the q square? Q square equal to Hc cube g. So substitute this q square value here. Hc plus Hc cube g by 2g Hc square. G and g will be cancelled. Here Hc square will be cancelled. So what is remaining terms? E minimum equal to Hc plus Hc by 2. Here we have to take 2 as LCM. So 2Hc plus Hc by 2, which is equal to 3Hc by 2. So this is the equation for minimum specific energy in terms of critical depth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more videos.